All right, so it's been a little while since I posted a video. Sorry about that. Lots going on in my world, and I did get some mail in, and I will open that up, and I'll tell you what's been going on. I'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I know, like I said in the intro, it's been a while, it's been a minute since I've done a video. My apologies, super busy as usual, lots going on. Like I said, I got, in previous videos, I have two older kids. One started college last week, one starts this coming up week, so lots of money going out, lots preparing, lots of things to get done. So not only that, but I also have a side business that I do on the side. So it's been a while. Sorry about that. I'll try to get more regular here. But let me go through the mail that I just got. I didn't get much. It's a great channel, guys. I really want you to go check him out. Okay, seriously. It is from Silver Game of Thrones, and he wrote on the back, it says, "Congrats on 5K sub. Keep it up, Silver Game of Thrones." Now, this guy right here, okay, he's got an accent. It's a very thick accent, but he's great people. Great people. He's got a lot of knowledge. He speaks 4 languages, if you can believe that. Pretty amazing. I know a lot of people struggle with just 1 language, let alone 4. Great channel, guys. Huge stacker, huge believer in silver and gold. Go check him out. He's a great dude. Let's get that guy up to 1,000, man, so he could just start doing lots of other things with his channel. Great dude. Really appreciate the support from him. Now, the premise of this video is going to be about silver pumping and why they are in full swing right now. They are in just enormous full swing. You're starting to see them everywhere, right? Now, your normal, websites or channels or whatnot, they usually pump no matter what. But now you're starting to see them come into the realm of normal, silver and gold stacking channels. And I'm not going to knock silver and gold stacking channels whatsoever. They are trying to put out information just like I'm trying to put out information. That's what, this is all about. Giving you as much information as possible so you can make the best possible decision for your portfolio. And that includes silver and gold. Now, the reason why they're in full swing is because a lot of their forecasts and a lot of their predictions are starting to look better and better. So now they're really pumping it, right? They're really pumping it up. So I haven't bought in a couple weeks, probably 3 weeks now, and I miss it tremendously. But what I'm thinking is going on is I'm thinking that we're gonna have a nice little, even bigger pullback. And another thing that I'm waiting on is I'm waiting on the 2020 Libertads. Now, I can't confirm it. I don't know. I thought they were coming out a couple weeks ago, but I think they're going to come out at the very end of August. I want to say August 31st. Now, those are going to be something you should buy no matter what the price is. And I never tell you guys to just buy something. But let me tell you something. Buy those Libertads. The 2020 coins are going to be extremely low mintage. Okay, they really are. Now, I don't mean go buy the fractional. I mean buy the 1 ounce, the 5 ounce. That's the ones that you want to get in on, because those are going to be the extremely low mintage ones. And I just don't believe in buying fractional silver unless it's 90% constitutional or junk, whatever you want to call it. That's the only fractional silver that I suggest you guys buy. But, the 10th ounce would be a pretty cool necklace if you want to, make that for somebody. But other than that, I wouldn't do it. And the reason why I haven't been stacking a lot is because the premiums are just really, really excessive right now. And, well, it's unfortunate because I do want to continue to buy. I want to buy as much as I can, but, it's difficult to choke down those premiums. And people are going to say, well, that's the cost of silver. Well, I can guarantee you that's not the cost of silver. It's just not, in my opinion. If silver is 26 per ounce, you shouldn't be paying $37 for an ounce. That's not right. So therefore, I'm holding off. I'm not going to buy at these prices. And That's another reason why I haven't been making videos, is because if I'm not buying, I don't want to influence you guys into thinking that it's okay to buy. And that's another reason why I haven't been making videos. I know I've been getting a lot of questions, emails, whatnot, asking if I'm okay. Yes, everything's fine. I'm good. You know, just super busy. Like I said, I have a side hustle, and whenever that business comes, I take it and I run with it. And right now it's busy season, so just building up the good old wallet, if you want to call it that. But I'll be ready to go whenever things do kind of get back to normal. As you can see, it's silver and gold are starting to consolidate. They're kind of moving sideways, which is good. It's great news. It means this is not a fluke. It means that these prices are going to be here to stay. As far as this being a average, that's good. That's what you want to see. And moving forward, that's going to help me make the better decision for my stack. I'm not even buying gold right now because it's just, I don't know, there's just a lot of hype going on right now, and I just don't want to make that wrong move. You know what I mean? I'm so used to buying silver whenever it's cheap, and that's the way that I like to buy it, even though I may have to adjust the way I do it. But right now I'm holding. I want to hold till probably September, whenever the Congress gets back into session and we get a look as to what they're going to do going forward, because this whole crisis situation going on with unemployment benefits running out and the next stimulus is going to have some type of impact. And that's another reason why I've been waiting. I want to see which way this is going to go. And plus, believe it or not, I know a lot of people hate it. I know a lot of people say, oh, it's trash. But the dollar is starting to show signs of consolidation also. It stopped the free fall, which is why a lot of your precious metals have stopped the gains that were taking place. So that's another key indicator that I've been looking out for, and it's starting to consolidate also. So I kind of want to watch and see. That's why I haven't been purchasing. What the heck is going on with the dollar? You know what I mean? Because once Congress comes back in session, if they do pass that stimulus, I think what's going to happen is the dollar is going to get weaker again, and you're going to see the precious metals really drive up again. So it might take a little bit of time, but I think that's what's going to take place. So right now I'm just hanging out, you know, trying not to overspend. I know a lot of people are saying you need to buy, you got to keep buying, you got a dollar cost average, and that's fine. But I have a very cheap stack, so I kind of want to keep it that way. I'm not in a hurry to overpay or price myself outside of my preference range, so therefore I'm just hanging tight. I'm not listening to the pumpers. They're out there in full force, guys. Don't let them make the decisions for you. You know, if you get all your information from one source or a couple sources, you know, you can make the wrong decisions and you could end up losing more than you're gaining. Because you got to remember, what's the premise of silver and gold? They're hedges against inflation. So if they're just rising faster than inflation, you have to kind of think, well, why am I going to keep stacking it? You know, this person's saying it's going to 100. This person's saying it's going to 600. So it's just crazy talk right now. So that's the time where I kind of want to sit back and I want to watch. I want to see what's going to take place. That's just me, guys. Feel free to buy if you're in the market. But like I said, if those Libertads or Libertads come out, man, I'm on them. I'm on them like white on rice. Seriously, I'm going to buy me probably at least a roll of those. I might buy a roll in probably the 5 ounce, although this is a 10 ounce, but those do very well in the future. So I will be picking one of those up. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate all the support. Thanks for liking, comment, and subscribing. Don't forget, guys, keep grinding on your stack.